Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. The most common questions I get about my sweet potatoes is what kind of pots do I use and what kind of soil. So this video is going to be about starting up of my plantings for some sweet potatoes, how I keep them in the yard. Now this is one of my pots from last year, and this one's been going for 3 or 4 years. It's got at least another year in it. This is the compost and potting soil mixture. You can see it's still got some sticks and whatnot in it. And I drilled a bunch of holes on the side. I try not to put holes on the bottom because that seems to encourage the different kinds of underground critters to come in. Now, my favorite containers so far, these are 18-gallon rope handled tubs. Now it's late May, and if you have an Aldi's in your area, Aldi's gets a bunch of these in just for a short period of time, and they're $4.99 each. So I go and I buy a bunch of them. I've been using them for you get about 3 years out of them. So I figure $5 for a tub that works for 3 years, that's a pretty good investment. Now what I do with these, I take a drill and I'm going to see if I can do 1-inch holes. And I'm going to put a few 1-inch holes in the side because I want them to drain. My drill is getting a little tired on me. I've had this drill about 1,000,000 years, and it's about ready to say we're done. But let's see if it'll get us through this video. So we're going to take this, put a bunch of good drain holes in. Sweet potatoes like a lot of water, but they don't like to be sitting in it. So I've taken this and I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. 18-gallon tub, round container. It's nice and deep, so there's lots of room for sweet potatoes. I've got 3 more of these, so I'm going to, rather than bore you, I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes in them, and then we'll continue. Now for my new sweet potato containers, I got to put soil in it, and I need it to be good soil, and I need it to be loose. I can't use the dirt that we have here outside of Atlanta. It's all clay and hardpan. Sometimes I make it to the store and I buy a whole bunch of bags of potting soil or garden soil or whatever. The last few years I've also been picking up this product from Soil Cubed, big yellow bag, Soil 3. It's a humus and compost, and here's what you're looking at with this stuff. This is just black gold. It's organic matter, compost. Looks like it might have a little sand in it. Not much though. Mostly what you're getting is really, really wonderful stuff. And I'm going to use this in my sweet potato pots. And I'm going to mix it roughly half and half with my own compost. And if you're fighting a battle with just worn out hardpan and clay, this stuff can really make a difference for you. So we're going to add this, and then we're going to put in some of my own compost. Now to this Soil Cube mixture, I'm going to be adding the last tier of my own compost. This particular bin just about finished. Also pretty much falling apart. I'm going to move it down to connect it to the other 2 bins, and then we'll start working on another one. But this has managed to make me some really nice compost. I don't turn them or anything. I just pile the bin until it's full, then I move to the next bin. By the time we get to the third bin, the first one's done. I usually manage to get, pretty much I can use each of these bins twice a year. It makes an awful lot of compost. So, and as you can see, we got worms and stuff in it all over the place. To this, I'm going to add some Epsom salt for the magnesium. Add some of that. And I've got some of this EB Stone organic plant food. It's just a basic 555, organic 555. Because when I put my sweet potato slips in, I want to make sure they get off to a real good start. So there'll be some fertilizer there, give them a little boost. Now we want to mix this up. Well, we put it in my pots. As you look at this, people are always asking me, what do I grow my sweet potatoes in? Well, this is it. I grow them in compost, and either that soil cube humus compost or bags of potting soil, roughly 50-50. And I add some fertilizers. If it feels heavy to me, I'll put some perlite in it to help lighten it up, or some wood chips. This stuff here, as we play with it, this is just wonderful, good looking stuff. So we're going to shovel this into those new blue containers. Well, it's about 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's hard to tell you how hot it is, how humid it is already. They're saying that we're going to get up in the 90s, and then it's going to get hotter each day after this. So, gardening work, an old guy like me, it's got to be done in the morning, because I just can't take the heat. But this time of year, I'm probably already late getting my sweet potatoes in, a few weeks. So, I gotta get them done. Heat or no heat. Food calls. The good news is I've got some really nice slips inside that I've been growing for months. Now I've gone inside to get my slips. As you can see, I told you these have been going for a long time. Well, there they are, plenty of roots. As you can see, there's plenty of tops. So we're going to get these things planted. These are I don't know the variety, because we bought these at the grocery store. These were a Japanese white sweet potato. Don't know the variety, but I know they were absolutely delicious. So we're going to get these planted. Boy, that's a whopper there. So 2 plants in each one. Really know if I should cut some of the vine off or not, but at this point I'm going to leave it alone. Let's see. And then I got another one. See, and then this one is still attached to the potato. And it's kind of weird. And they got all the roots on the bottom and the slips on the top. So it's just like not doing what I wanted to do. So I'm going to leave that one out at the moment and go see what else I have inside that we can plant. Alright, here's some more slips here we can plant. Hold these up for you. You can see these guys here have also got plenty of roots. I don't know what I was thinking about when I started rooting these things. I certainly got carried away. So. That one. Tiny little thing. I don't know if it'll do anything, but it rooted, so we'll give it a chance. Alright, now what comes next? Made labels here, Japanese white flesh. Go inside and make one more label and bring it out. One of the nice things about putting them all in tubs, I can spread them out some so they're easier to get around and give them vines to grow. Alright, so that's my planting of sweet potatoes. I'm going to give these guys a real good drink of water. Since they're water roots, they're going to want to be wet. And 18-gallon containers, compost or nice garden soil, some magnesium, a general all-purpose organic fertilizer. Mix it up, put the plants in, give it lots of sunshine, and that's how we're on to start. Now I'll give you some status reports as they grow. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, and if you like this, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and hit the little notify button, so when I do updates on these things, you'll get a little notice for them. This is Zone 7, northeast of Atlanta. This is David. Hey, grow and eat this. Thank you for watching.